Looking for how to fix connection error problem on Roblox. In this video, I show how to fix connection problem error problem on Roblox. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Roblox app, tap on Roblox, update Roblox if available any update version. Now search for 111 VPN, install. Now go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Roblox, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Okay, now connect VPN, tap on install VPN profile. Okay, not now, connect. Now open Roblox. In. Now I hope that this method fixed Roblox connection error problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Thomas Guide.